Namaste. Hello everyone. This is Dr. Smita Shetty, Principal, Nutan Ayurvedic College and Research Center, Sakalchand Patel University, Visnagar, Gujarat. I am delighted to extend a warm invitation to each one of you for an extraordinary event that bridges ancient wisdom with cutting-edge innovation. This March 13 to 15, 2026, Sakalchand Patel University is hosting an international conference on smart technologies for medical health sciences. Right here in Gujarat in hybrid mode. Whether you are a student eager to learn, a faculty member shaping future minds, a researcher pushing boundaries, or a healthcare provider transforming lives, the conference is your platform. What makes this truly special? We are exploring groundbreaking themes like artificial intelligence in healthcare. Mark your calendars, March 13 to 15, 2026. Be a part of this transformative journey. Be a part of this healthcare shaping. The early bird registration has already opened. So dear UG scholars, PG scholars, as well as the academicians, kindly take this opportunity. Jai Ayurveda, Jai Dhanvantari.